All right, today we're making art out of toilet paper tubes. Today's project, we're gonna make a flower or a design, it's up to you, but we're gonna measure every 1/2 inch. We're gonna put a line. If you need help with that, you can ask your mom where the 1/2 inch marks are. So there, I put them all on so I know where to cut. And so my flower pieces are even. Then you squish your toilet paper tube down like in half, like that. Makes it a lot easier for cutting. Then we just cut on that line. All the way across. And when you have all those cut, you get a piece of cardboard. I just got this from a box that I got in the mail. Cut it out. And then you're gonna put these little pieces on it. Now make your design first before you glue it down. So I make my design. Oh, I like this design. So I leave it like that. And then I take my glue and put the glue all on the edges and then glue it down and do it on each one all the way around. Another way to do it is to take the tube and fold it again in half. If you fold it again in half, you get this design. Almost looks like bunny ears, right? You could put that on the edge of the flower if you like, or you could put it on the inside of the flower. So it's up to you how you want to create it. I saw another good one online where they made these into leaves. They took just a stick from outside. Let's pretend this is my stick. And then they put these as leaves from a tree. And they painted the inside red, orange, and yellow. So you can do lots of things with these. This is what I did with mine. I painted it this blue to make it pop more. And then a lot of people I saw online add glitter and gems too. I didn't add glitter, but I do want to add some gems. So you just take your glue and put it on, and then put a gem right in the middle. And then I wanted to put gems on these little corners. Then I find a gem I like, and we stick them on. Now you can also, oops, drop that one. Paint the tubes before you cut them out. So you could paint, I saw a lot of people making like dark green on the outside and light green, dark green on the outside and light green on the inside. Dark purple on the outside, light purple on the inside. And so when you cut them, you get to see two colors. So that's another good way you can color these, especially if you like to paint. That would be a different way to do it. And remember, the glue dries clear, so that's okay. And there we go. You can also paint the insides of these a different color if you like. So there's lots of ways you can change this project to make it yours. But all you need is cardboard and a toilet paper tube. So I hope you enjoyed this, us reusing. This is reusing materials to make something new.